up guys, Macho back with another video. Currently in the pier, I head towards Voyager Park, hit the Fox River Trail and head downtown. Figured I'd start the video somewhere else. But I've been under the weather the last few days, so I've just been in the house resting. It's the best I felt all weekend, so I figured I'd get out, get some fresh air, get a little exercise while I'm at it. Probably take a little detour, go through St. Norbert College campus. There's probably no classes going on until the summer, but you never know. Definitely feeling a little fatigue from being sick. Campus is pretty dead. Like I said, there's probably no classes going on. Crossing the Fox River right now, going to the east side of the pier. Probably go through Voyager. We'll see though. See if I can make this turn. Alright, currently on the Fox River Trail, headed towards downtown. Didn't go through Voyager, there's nothing really going on down there, so I'm just gonna head downtown, make a spin through there, and that'll probably be it. Gotta really find some new areas to ride. Green Bay is so small, but it's big at the same time. Not really much riding areas. Just enjoy the view and vibe out. My back wheel needs to be trued ASAP. Probably try to do that when I get home. Thank you. This might be a good time to do a bike check. I'm riding the new Core Line Throne, the Goon, 29er, 3-piece cranks. Pretty sure that front sprocket's a 33 tooth. I got different pedals. Shimano MT200s, super big honking SE bars. I got an ROS seat, Rhino supply. As you can see, I've been putting in work, need to get a new one. I got Merit swerve wall tires, front and back. Pretty sure them are Merit 5-inch pegs. And then I got a Theory Bond stem, but the front cap started cracking, so I had to get a piece for the top. And then I'm just running Merit grips, Merit Data grips, I think they are. Nothing crazy. The only thing I would probably do on here, or upgrade, maybe in the future, would be better rims. That's pretty much it. I got a profile crankset at home I've been thinking about putting on, but I mean, nothing's wrong with the stocks right now. Besides, they were creaking a little bit. Greased them up. Now they're perfectly fine, no creaking. But that's pretty much it for my bike. Of course, it's set up to my preference, but you know, I'm a bigger guy. I'm like 6'4", 6'5", so this bike fits perfect. No problem since I've got it. But yeah, like I said, that's my build. And it's got a 14mm axle for you combo hitters that don't want to risk getting your axle bent or snapping. This axle's pretty sturdy. Highly recommended if you're over 6 feet tall. You can't go wrong with this bike. A lot of people on the water today. Like I said, it's not too hot, not too cold. Surprisingly, it's not that humid. Just crossing under 172. It's been a minute since I've been on this trail. Last time I was on, I don't think it was redone over here. Oh, I forgot to mention too, I'm still riding the stock rotor. Probably replace that, as my brakes aren't always the best, but they still do the job, so. Alright, now we're just getting to downtown. I don't really know where we're headed. Just gonna see where it takes us. Downtown is so dead. I for sure need new places to ride. I'll hit the boardwalk quick, head over to the west side. Alright guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. If you guys like what you see, make sure you hit that like button, hit the subscribe, turn your post notifications on, that way you're notified every time I drop new videos. Other than that, peace.